hosting Jack and Jill's program at the Tindahan NI Aling Hearings 2024 convention. Alden Richards as guest. While I hosted,
Jack and Jill, and of course URC. Guys, FYI, isa lang talaga yung kanta niya dapat. Pero dahil gusto niya kayong mapasaya, ginawa yung dalawa yung kanta. Palakpakan naman
supposedly
natin.
he had only one performance, but suddenly made it to his gratitude. It's been many years since I worked with him, and he's always been
Yes,
very
Karen.
nice.
Alden!
Hello, hello.
Si Alden! Of course, Jack and Jill welcomes you to the Tindahan ni Aling Puring Convention.
Yes, I'm very glad and honored to be here, of course.
You know what? Sobrang kilig na kilig sila. Pakiligin pa natin sila.
Toto pa natin to, Karen.
Mga 4 lucky players na makakasama si Alden! May mga may message kayo para kay Alden.
Grabe naman yun.
Minsan lang kasi mangyari to, diba? Pogi yun po.
Ay, thank you po.
Ay, ikaw.
Pogi?
Ilabas ko na. Minsan lang yung moment na ganito.
Pogi niyo ba? Sana hindi ka po kunin ng lalo.
Hindi pa, matagal-tagal pa si Alden. And for you, magkaroon ng bagong movie. Ay, bagong movie. Gusto niyo ba yun? Bagong movie.
Ako, tingnan
O,
natin.
diba? Alright, once again, Alden Richards!
Let's go!
Super fun hosting this program. Thanks for having us, Universal Ravina Corporation.